Welcome to the quick tutorial of PVAPins.com. PVAPins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First go to PVAPins.com and click the sign up button. Now click the register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the register button. After sign up successfully you will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number you have to recharge your account. The process is very easy. Just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a recharge successfully. After a successful payment the amount will add your account and will be shown here. Now you are ready to purchase number here. Today we will learn how to create and verify a Twitter account with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. Look at the phone screen. In this field you have to enter a phone number. Now return to PVAPins and search here any country. We select USA. Select the country. Search here for Twitter. You will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. A USA phone number for Twitter verification will be shown here. Take this number and use it for opening your new Twitter account. Enter this number into the phone and click the verify button for verify this number. A verification code will be shown here automatically. If not, just click the refresh button. Take verification code and finish the verification procedure. Thank you for using PVAPins. Stay tuned for more updates.